How are you doing? My name's Keiron Hogg and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. Now, if this is something that interests you, I strongly encourage you to check out some of my videos down below and also subscribe to my channel. I do product reviews all the time on the latest software and apps that are helping others make money online, and I will be guiding you along the way. I will be also helping you with some tips and tricks on how to use certain softwares and how to just find little shortcuts, if you will, in the make money online niche. So guys, maybe you are working in a job that you don't like, maybe you want to start a side hustle and you don't know where to start, then check out my channel. You'll find some great information inside, and if you do have any questions, I'm always here. You can reach out to me, whether in the comments down below or maybe on Facebook. I engage a little bit more on that, and I just want to wish you the best of luck on your journey. And like I said, if there's any way I can help you, just let me know. Till then, all the best, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.